Are you a nutritionist or healthy recipe content creator with tons of valuable content, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your meal plans, cooking tutorials, and wellness tips into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours, without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional nutritionist app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. Start in Stitch by Google. We prompted Stitch to generate a clean, wellness-focused design for a nutrition and healthy recipes app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video library for your recipes, and a featured section for curated meal plans or seasonal dishes. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, adjusted typography, the color palette, and layout to reflect a fresh, vibrant food and wellness brand. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to process those screens into real, functional mobile app components. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from login to discovering and watching your healthy recipes. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a clean, professional brand presence on the user's device. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just drag, drop, and go. You can test it immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your healthy cooking videos and nutrition guides, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's Web View tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube Vimeo content, so your users can cook along with you anytime, anywhere, right inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kind, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only registered or paying users can access your exclusive content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved recipes, nutrition plans, and backend data, all with zero custom backend coding. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kind billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, paid meal plans, or exclusive content unlocks. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional nutritionist mobile app with no code, ready to grow your brand, engage your community, and help you monetize your expertise. Whether you're a nutritionist, food content creator, or wellness coach, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to turn your knowledge into a beautiful mobile experience. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.